Hi everyone and welcome back to another YouTube video, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Hitway BK11 Folding E-Bike. We're going to go straight into the review, give you some drone footage and discuss all the features and my favourite parts of the bike. I'm now going to demonstrate how you can switch the bike on. So it's currently in the off position, as you can see here, and it won't power up, okay? So all you want to do is switch it to the on position, press the power button, and then I'm going to come over to the display. Alright, you see you've got the power button, minus and plus, so I'll explain these in a minute, but all you want to do to start with is press and hold the power button. It'll all light up, okay? So this shows your miles per hour. You've got your battery, which shows the state of charge, your total mileage on the bike, and your assist mode. So the pedal assist modes, so if I was to go up, you can see it's low, L stands for low, again number 2 is low. You get to 3, it's medium, and 4 is high, and 5 is the highest setting. It can comfortably reach about 24-25 miles an hour on pedal assist. So talking about the battery on the Hitway BK11 foldable e-bike, you can see it's a 36 volt 12 amp, and this battery has capacity of 432 watts. You can charge it on the bike, or you can remove the battery and charge it off the bike. It's got a really portable handle here where you can pick it up and carry it to where you need to go. Okay, we're going to be talking about how you can remove the battery to charge it, but before we do that, you can see there's a lovely rider seat here. It's got built-in suspension, which means if you're going over a rough terrain, it will absorb the bumps really nicely and create a smoother riding experience for you. There's a little lever underneath here which you can just push up, and once you push that up, you can then remove the battery, which I can demonstrate now for you. So all you want to do is you want to put it to the unlock position, which is all the way down here, as you can see. And there's a nice little handle here. So I'm going to be taking the battery out the bike. As you can see, the battery's come out the bike, very lightweight. Carrying it with one hand. It's a great way to charge the bike if you don't have an external charging point. I'm now going to show you how you can insert the battery back into the bike once you finish charging. So you've got a little groove here, you want to line that up with this, and then you can see that comes in nicely there. Once you get all the way down, you want to give it a little push, and you hear that clicks in. That means it's in. Then put the key to the on or off position, which I'm doing now. Put it to the on position because we're about to use the bike. And then all it is seat back up, click into place, and that's how you do it. Okay, so we've got front suspension on this bike, which is really good. You know, it'll absorb the bumps, making your riding experience more enjoyable, and it's dual front suspension as well. I'm going to be moving on to talk about the 7-speed Shimano gears on the bike. Really nice features, allows you to ride at different speeds. As you can see, it's on the highest setting now, so if you wanted to go up a gear, you press the plus button, and go to down, press this. I'm just going to demonstrate that. So you can see I've just gone down to gear 6, but if I want to go back up, just press the plus button and it brings you back up to the gears. And it is 7-speed, as I mentioned. So this is where the 7-speed Shimano gears are on the bike. As you can see, you've got a cassette there. What that does is it allows you to change gears to a higher gear or to a lower gear. So this bike comes with front and rear disc brakes, which can really increase your stopping distance compared to, you know, the regular brakes that you get, and it will come to a quick stop, which we'll demonstrate later on in the video. It comes with a rear hub motor, which means all the power is driven on the rear wheel, and that allows the bike to go. So it's a 250 watt motor. This complies with EAPC regulations, so this bike is road legal for you to use on UK roads. So we've got a rear rack on the back of the bike, which allows you to carry any extra storage you don't want to carry on your back. Really nice feature of the bike. Again, all you have to do is really strap it on top and continue with your riding journey. So you've got a reflector which is attached to the rack, and this really gives you better visibility, especially riding at night to other road users. So again, good feature of the e-bike. So a good feature about this bike is that it can fold in half, so you can bring it on a train, making your commute more portable. There's a little safety switch here, just want to flick that up. Once you flick that up, flick this away, and then you can fold the bike in half, and even the handlebars can come down as well. So I'm going to show you how to fold the handlebars. All you want to do is lift this lever up here, it comes loose, and then you can fold the handlebars down. So we've got a rear mudguard which is placed underneath the rear rack, which we spoke about earlier. This will prevent any mud splattering up your backside. We've got the front mud guard, which again, really good feature because it will stop mud splattering up and making your bike dirty as well. As you can see on the front mud guard here, there's an attachment which is for the light, so it gives you better visibility, especially in darker or poor visibility situations. This we've attached on in the assembly here. That can be adjusted up or down depending if it's too low or too high. Really nice feature to keep it all nice and tidy. So you can see here you've got these little straps to go round. I won't take it off, but this is just keeping all the cables together to make it nice and neat and tidy all the way down, and even all the way down to the controller and to the battery. And it's even cable tied on to the bike so they don't come loose while you're riding. I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can operate the kickstand on the bike. Pretty self-explanatory, but all you want to simply do is kick it up when you're riding, and then when you're coming to a stationary you can just kick it down and then pop the bike down and it's down on the ground.
It's all the way around.
Okay, performing a brake test, front and rear brake, and it comes to a rear stop. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch. A link to the BK11 Folding e-bike by Hitway will be in the description down below. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe and like. But until next time, I'll see you in my next YouTube video.